Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable screen sharing during a meeting on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Go to the left side column and tap on Settings. Click on Meeting at the top and then you should scroll down to the In Meeting Basic section. And here you can see this screen sharing option that you can enable by tapping on this button and tap on Enable, so that you can allow participants to share their screen or content during meetings. Here you can set how many participants can share at the same time, one or multiple participants, and also select who can share, host only or all participants. And if all participants, who can start sharing when someone else is sharing, the host only or all participants. Tap on the Save button down below and basically that's it, everything will be updated. See you in the next video guys, bye bye.